Hi guys, this is Prashant Pacha here. In this video, we are going to see how to make money online by using launch jacking method. If you don't know what launch jacking method is, it is simple. You are going to find an affiliate product and you are going to become an affiliate for that particular product. Once you become an affiliate, you need to just create a video about that product and post it in your own YouTube channel. So everything is absolutely free. You can just apply for the affiliate link. It is free and you need to just go to YouTube, create an account in YouTube, and you are going to create a video about that and you are going to post it in your own YouTube channel. So everything around is free. Everything around launch jacking is free. So you don't need to spend any money with it and you are going to earn like $20 to $100 per day. As of right now, I am just earning like $300 per day by using this launch jacking method. I will even show you the proof how I am getting free traffic from YouTube also. So you don't need to worry about it because it is a proven method. It is working for me right now. So it will also work for you. You just need to put your effort into creating an YouTube video. That is the only thing you need to put effort. So I will show you in a detailed manner how you need to find the affiliate products which are good and also how to apply for an affiliate link for that particular product, how to be get approved, and once you are getting approved, how to create a bonus page where you can find the bonuses and also how to create a video too. I will explain all the process step by step through it, so stick with me throughout the end so that you can able to gain as much knowledge as possible. I mean the step by step method on how to create a launch jacking video and how to earn with it. So if you are new to this channel, make sure subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so that you will not miss out any of my valuable content for you guys. I'll be posting the videos on regular basis like 3 videos per week, so that don't miss it. And also these videos will be all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and also about funnels. So make sure you stick with me throughout the end to know more about this video. Let's skip into this video right now. First of all, you need to go for munchai.com where you can find all the big launches as well as the small launches. As for the big launches, it goes for like $47 minimum to like $3,500 too. Just imagine $3,500 and you will be getting a 50% commission with it. It will be like nearly like $1,500, right? So it is an easy money. You just need to go to that product, apply for the link, and you need to create a video for it. So as of right now, if you are new to this launch jacking method, I advise you don't go for big launches. Go for the launches which are small, and it is available in Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. As you can see, all the products are available in JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and in ClickBank only. So you don't need to worry about it. So here are the products. So you can just go through some of the products here and you need to find the products which are good. So for an advice, I will give you some thing for you like Moshberry and Dawood Islam, and next one is like Art Flare and Trevor Carr, and these are Billy Dad. These are all some of the well-known guys in launching the best products. So you can search for those guys and you can apply for the link. And not only that, I am not telling you to just go for these guys launches. You can just go, for if you take for October 10th, as you can see there are like 4 products launching, right? So you can check all those products, and if you see that is a good one, you can just apply for the link and you can create a launch jacking video. So for this tutorial alone, I am going with this smart content profits. Okay, this is $37 and you will be getting 50% commission. In the sense, you will be earning like $10 to $12 per sale. So let's just think about it. If you get 10 sales, and if one sale is $15, it will be like nearly $150 plus dollars, right? So it is simple. You are not even going to spend any amount, but you are getting like $150 if we get 10 sales. So simple. I will show you. So once you have decided, for this training, I have decided to show you how to apply for this affiliate link. So just click into it. Once you click that, you will be getting this page. In this page, you can see the vendor name, product, and launch date, launch time, front end price, commission. So for the entire this product, you will be getting 50% commission. And you can see some of the, what is this product all about? You can read it here. And even if you don't want to read it, it's okay because you have a JV page. If you click this JV page, you will be redirected to this JV page. In this this JV page, make sure you read all the content, because it will show you what this content is all about. This product is all about, and how it will be helpful for the the members or the customers which they are going to provide. So as you can see, brand new smart technology lets build your autopiloting content sites that pull in free organic traffic forever. Okay, so it is like building a content. Let's see more about it. Smart Content Profits, and groundbreaking app that builds WordPress sites on autopilot. So it is an this Smart Content Profits all about creating a WordPress site on autopilot. You just need to add in domain, and the system will do the rest. So it is all about creating a website. So you can able to you just get a got a general idea, right? So what this Smart Content Profit is all about. So that is a good thing. So that's why I always tell the students, my students, as well as those who are seeing this video right now, make sure you go through all the JV pages. Don't go and apply to the link directly. Just go through the JV page, and if you think it will help your customers or your followers, then you can just get your affiliate link here. And also, once you click that, it will be redirected to the Warrior Plus, where it has been it has been launched. So once you got here, you can see the overview funnel map. Funnel map is an OTO. There is a front end, OTO1, OTO2 and all. And you can see the products too. As you can see, there is a front end for $27. There is an OTO1, and this is an OTO2, OTO3, OTO4, and it goes on. For all these products, you will be getting 50% commission. So from front end alone, you will be getting $13. So it is in the, if you compare this whole thing, you will be getting like nearly $200, right? So that is why launch jacking method is very powerful. You just need to click here request approval, and you just need to type about how you are going to promote this product, and you just click this request approval, and they will review it. They think if you are a legit person, they will approve it. If you want to know how I am requesting, and what are the contents I am typing in this request approval, I will tell it to you in another video. If you need that kind of video, just make sure you tell it to me in the comment that you need how to apply, how to request in a Warrior Plus. I will just create another video for you. Just let me know in the comments. So once you have got an affiliate link, that is good. Create a new document in Google Docs, and you can just paste your affiliate link. And JV page link. JV page link in the sense, in the JV page, you can see there is a JV docs, right? So if you click the JV doc, you will be getting this JV docs. In this JV docs, why it is important? Because you can able to contact the product creator directly in the Facebook too. And not only that, it explains more deeply on how this is all about. And you can get social media graphics too. If you are going to create, you don't if you don't want to create a YouTube video, I encourage all of you guys to create a YouTube video, review video about the product. But if you think you don't want to create it, you can just create an Facebook post in your own profile, and you can use some of the graphics which they are mentioned here. And you can also create and done for you bonus pages and banners too if you want it. Many of the guys do that, but I don't encourage my students or you guys to do it, because I will show you how to create a bonus page and how you can get the bonuses too. And next one is most importantly these two, because this will give you a front-end demo. Front-end demo in the sense, they have created a demo for that product which they have created. So you can watch the demo, and you can able to get a general idea what that product will do, right? So with that demo, you can able to get some contents on how you can structure your own review video. And not only that, this is important. Review access is important, because if you are going to do a review video, you need to show what this content, what this app will do, and how it will create a website automatically. So you need to show that, right? So if you need to show that, you need to have a review access. You just go to this you just go to this link, and you can just apply this username and password. You can pitch into that product, and you can show them what this review product is all about, whether it will be helpful for them or not. You need to go step-by-step process on how this product exactly works, so that it will be helpful for your followers in YouTube or in Facebook, in any other social media. They can understand that product in a detailed manner if you do a review like that, and if they think it is useful for them, they will buy it from you. So that is why you need to grab this review access and you need to paste it here. JV page link, demo video and review access. All the things will be in the JV docs. So that's why once you come into this JV page, make sure you get your link as well as JV docs. It is important. So everything is done. Right now it comes down to bonus. In the bonus you need to give at least 4 bonuses. So why this bonus is important? Let's say this product is all about creating a website, right? So you can give them like related to that product. So bonus should be related to that product only. It shouldn't be any other things, something like that. It should complement that product. So make sure you get the bonuses like that. If you need any bonuses, you can just go to some PLR sites, or you can create your own YouTube video too, and how to drive traffic from Facebook to your website, something like that. You need to create your own. I mean, if you create your own bonus video, it is exactly good. But if you don't want to do that, you can just go for some PLR sites and you can add some 4 bonuses, and you just get the link here and write the bonus topics. So it will be useful for you. So that's why create this JV docs, and you can make sure you fill all this content. It will be useful if you are going to create a bonus page. So you get the idea, right? And sometimes in the JV docs you can see bonuses, bonus details only for top partners. Okay, as you can see they have given some bonus details here. So if you click here, it will redirect to another JV doc. There you can find some of the bonuses which you can use it too. So let's say, where is there any other bonuses? No, that's it. So you can use their bonuses, or you can just go to PLR sites and you can use you can use that PLR books or some other PLR videos as your own bonuses. But I encourage you guys to create your own bonuses, because it will publish it will make sure you can create an authority, right? The basic thing which you are going to do in the video is creating an authority yourself in that affiliate marketing. So in the affiliate marketing side, you are going to create yourself as an authority by creating a video. So why don't you create bonuses for for this product by creating a video, so that it will create another type of authority, right? So your customers who are going to buy it, they can able to see your face, they can connect with you easily. So that's why I encourage all the guys to create their own bonuses. So once you have done, once you have filled all these things, you just need to go for Commission Gorilla. Well, if you don't know what Commission Gorilla is, I will do a separate video about what Commission Gorilla is and how extensively you can use that. If you need that kind of video, you just make sure you comment below, so that I can able to create what Commission Gorilla uses, and how you can create bonus page using Commission Gorilla. So once this is how the Commission Gorilla bonus page will looks like. You can just create an header like attention, and this special bonus will expire in this date, so that it is like in some kind of enticing them to buy it before your bonus ends, and the logo of the product which you are going to launch, and these are the contents. And also it has some count and timer too. Let's say if it ends after October 22nd, in the sense I will be just putting the timer based on that, and once that timer expires, your bonus will not be available. These all the countdown timer is for to entice the viewers who is watching your video, to make sure they buy it before the time expires, because after the time expires you will be telling the video, after the time expires you can't able to give the bonuses which you have explained in the video. So if they click any one of this button, they will be redirected to the sales page, and in that sales page they can go through it and they will buy it for $27, right? And you will be getting $13 commission. And not only that, you will be also in the bonus page, you can also insert the demo videos and all, so they can go through this demo video. So once this bonus page has been created, you can just take this bonus page link and you can mention it in the description of your video. So these are the things how you will be going through it. So once this bonus page has been done, so everything has been done, right? Now you have the affiliate link, you have gone through the demo video, you have gone through the review access, and you have created the bonus page, and at last you also created the bonus page. So everything is done. So now what you need to do is review. You need to do the review video. So at last review video is the one. To create a review video, I mean everyone know how to create a review video on YouTube, right? You just go to Camtasia or OBS and you just need to explain about the product. I mean you can explain about the product by going through this sales page. Where is the sales page? Where is the sales page? Okay, I can see it. That is why JVDoc is very important. In the JVDoc you can find all the things here. If you click this, you can see the sales page. You can go through the sales page and tell them what this product is all about. And once you have gone through the sales page, you just go to the review. I mean the review, you already have the review access, right? So just go to this review access and explain them what this product is all about, what will look like, and how it will be helpful for them. And after that, you just go to this commission, bonus page which you have created, and tell them what they will be getting if they purchase with your link. What are the bonuses they will be getting it from you? So explain the bonuses, and once this everything has been done, if they click it, you will be getting a commission. So now I will show you the proof how it worked for me and how I can able to create like $300 plus per day by launching and by launch jacking in single product. As you can see, there is a Leads Gorilla review. Okay, I have created this review video on July 2020, and still now it is gaining the views. And not only that, it had gained me like watch hours also, and it is still going on, and I am still getting money. I mean, I'm still someone is purchasing this Leads Gorilla, and I am getting commissions with it. So it is good, right? I mean, this video has been created 1 year back, and I am still getting views as well as commissions from by because someone is purchasing this product. So I am getting the commissions, right? And not only that, you don't need to worry about even if I am new channel, if I create a review video, whether it will come in top 10 or whether it will come in the first page or not. You don't need to worry about it. You just keep pushing the launch jacking review videos continuously, and sometime you can able to see that you are ranking on the top 10. You can just outdo all the competition, and you can rank in the top 10. At that time you can see the views, and you can able to get some commissions. As you can see, I have launched in 20 July, right? 2020. Okay, so I didn't have much views, so I don't need to. Because I didn't worry about it. I'm just interested in pushing the content. I didn't worry about the views and commissions first of all. That is what you also need to think about it. You don't need to think about sales and all. Just think about creating, applying for the link and creating a launch jacking video for the products which you think it is good one. Otherwise, you don't need to create an review video. If you think it is good, it will be helpful for your customers, just create an review video. So after some time, I can able to see some views, and in those views I can able to get because some of them are buying the product, I am getting commissions too. So this is what all about this how to make money online using this launch jacking method. So if you are really interested in how to create this bonus page and how to apply for a link, how to request a link in the in Warrior Plus, make sure you mention it in the comment. I will do a separate video about it. So that's it in this video. I will be seeing you in another video. Bye.